We are all packed up and heading to Holiday Campground in West Point, Lake Georgia. That's where we're heading today. We go to the water. Up there, we're gonna drop it. Look. Oh, look who's there. Cheryl. Cheryl loves kayaking. Cheryl. I wasn't recording, Mom. There you go.
Daryl, you need to try this.
I know, I need to try it.
There you go. Good.
I think I got it. I know how to do it, maybe.
You can do it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you fall into it.
I'm not gonna fall.
Okay.
Or I'm gonna pause it.
Gerald says that it's easy to do the paddleboard, so we're gonna see. Stand up. Stand up. Now what? I can't go over there because the water's already deep, Odo. Listen, you gotta hold the paddle longer. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms. Your legs. Gerald! What happened? You can't do it? Why? I thought you told me it was easy. Make your way this way. Daryl, I can't believe you can stand up after you told me, oh, that's easy, I'll do it. I can't believe you didn't stand up. You said it was easy. You were nervous you're gonna fall? You're just gonna fall in the water. What's the big deal? You know how to swim. Well, hopefully it wouldn't flip over.
Like, I'll put my feet right here, and that's why I'll get like wobbly.
Oh, it doesn't matter where you put them. You just stay in the center. That was a workout?
Yeah, that was. I don't know if I could put it in the middle.
Just try it again then. Put it in the middle.
I'm gonna try right
I'll
here.
hold it for you right here.
Hold it from my hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it right here. Look. Okay. Hold on.
Mom, see all this weight? I can't.
Yeah. Well, that's how it goes. Put them in the center, like you say, that you want them closer to you. That closer to you?
Oh, I can't. It's the wave's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. All the waves.
You're gonna make me pee on myself. You're gonna make me pee on myself. Quit it. Listen, don't let the waves make you nervous. All you have to do is balance. You go like this. You go,
like this?
Jerry, go like this.
If the water was like this, I would do it.
Okay, so let's wait for that wake to go away.
Like a string or something, I could do it. Maybe I could do it.
Well, there's little waves in the springs too, because a lot of people go with their boats. Right now, I understand, because look what this person's doing over there. You see that person in that jet ski? They're the ones doing it. Let's find another little cul-de-sac where all this activity is not going on, because I see a whole bunch of, I don't know that you can see them with this, but I see jet skis and boats. You see? It's a little crazy. You just put this thing on its foot real quick. Make sure you don't lose your paddleboard. Then you stand up like that. You don't think too much about it, because if you think about it, then you're gonna start doing the side to side. See? Go. Then this thing right here, you gotta push it down. There. Because you had it like this. You were trying to do something from here. You gotta do it. That easy. That easy.
She's good.
Then when you get close, go like this. Either hop off. You put it down. You go to that. You're down. Like that. See?
Hope it wasn't. They could say it's some noise coming from the woods or somewhere in the island.
You don't go that way, you stay right here. Oh shit, a hill. Going uphill.
Okay, we decided to come out to the water again. It's in the afternoon now. What time is it? 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So we are back in the lake. I don't know where Jerry went. But anyways, yeah, we rode bikes. We had a late lunch because we were in the water for a long time. So that, let me turn around because I don't know where Gerald is at. Oh, there he is over there. Oh my goodness. I was going the opposite way from Gerald. But we had a late lunch. So we decided to, after we ate, let's see, we rode bicycles and then we went back inside. No, we got out of the lake. We rode bicycles. Then we ate lunch. And that's why we ended up eating a late lunch because I ended up cooking pasta with tuna. Oh my God, it was so good. And we ate and then we stayed inside being lazy. We wanted to take naps. So I was trying to take a nap, but Rocky wouldn't let me take a nap. He kept stomping his feet on the wood floor. That makes noise, so I couldn't sleep because he gets aggravated that Gerald is on the sofa, on the little couch. So I had to get out. So we decided to take him for a walk now. Before we got in the water right now, we took Rocky for a walk. And now we got in here. It's 5 o'clock, so I guess we'll be in the lake like for an hour or two. Then head back to the camper. Haven't heard from Hector. Hector's in Atlanta. I have not heard from him, so hopefully he's doing all right. But he's supposed to, once he heads back home from Atlanta, he's supposed to stop here because this is midpoint between Atlanta and home. And if he stops here, he'll take Rocky and Gerald home. Gerald did not sleep well last night, even though after I gave him my bed, I ended up giving him my bed. He slept better. But his side, that pain that he gets when he eats was hurting him a lot. So, he wants to go home just so he doesn't have another episode like that, which doesn't matter, but I guess it just makes him feel better that he's at the house if he has an episode. I don't know. But this is where we at. Oh, the sun is coming out. Let me try to see a little bit here.
Mom.
Hi, Jerry. He's over there right next to me. This is so relaxing. I don't change this for anything else. Ever since I built my camper, that was in 2024. Last year, I went camping so many times. This year, I've been camping pretty good as well. Not as many times as I did last year, I don't think. I don't know. The year's not over yet, and I do have a place booked for the beach again, St. Andrew State Park. That'll be in October. But from here to October, so many weekends. This one I just booked at the last minute. The thing is that last year I had the entire calendar booked, so that's why I felt that I was going to so many places all the time. But so far this year, I've been to a lot of places too. And like I said, the year's not over, and I book at the last minute too, so it doesn't matter. Before the year's over, I'll be booking more sites, more campsites. So we'll see. Having my legs crossed like this is a little bit hard to paddle because my knees are in the way. But it feels comfortable though, sitting straight up like that.
We're going to that dead-end cul-de-sac over there.
Is it that same one?
No, we had wait over there, remember?
No.
We went past the dock over there. But let's go over here. Let's see what we see over there. Look at this. You see that? Somebody just noticed